Are you feeling tired and restless during the day because you have been snoring all night? Or is your partner and people around you feeling frustrated because of your loud snoring? Loud snoring during the sleep can have an adverse effect on your health and relationship. Most snoring problem can be due to special condition called obstructive sleep apnea, which if untreated causes a number of serious health problems, including high blood pressure, cardiovascular disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, depression, memory impairment, weight gain, and headaches. International sleep experts estimate that nearly 1 billion people worldwide have obstructive sleep apnea. Is this you? We understand the agony it can bring to you and your loved ones, which is why we have developed a super effective snore-ripper micro anti-snoring device for you. Our device will give you an instant relief from snoring and alleviate sleep problems. With an astonishing 96% success rate and 30-day money-back guarantee, you will enjoy a good night's sleep. Don't wait. Try our snore-ripper micro anti-snoring device today. Order now at www.snoreripper.com and get a 50% instant discount.